We are going to discuss one new topic. The scenario was here. We have a 3 pages. Okay, so just I am showing the data. So here in the first page we have a 4 fields: product line, product, and the quantity. Here we need to display 4 years data in the first page. Okay, 2015, 16, 17, 18. And the second page we have to display only 2017 data. Okay, the fields are same. Okay, if you go to the third page, here we have to display only 2018 data. Okay, so for this, is there any way to display in our Cognos? Okay, so for that, just there is a one query that is called as a reference query in our Cognos. Let me explain that. So I had built that report already. So here, see, just I am taking the first query, 4 fields. Here we need to display entire the data, and the second query, which was 2017 years, only we have to display the data. So here I am just this is called as a reference query. If you see in the right side, query reference. Okay, just I am taking the reference query, and just I had a one filter here 2017. And coming to the third query, here also same, just I am taking as a reference query as a first query. See, if you see it was a sales data in the from first query, and take it as a reference. And if you click in this, in the left side we have a source. Just I am taking the 4 fields from the sales data query and take it as a reference, and just I am adding the one filter 2018. So if I am run the report, I will get this data this tab wise. Okay, in the first tab we have all the 4 years data. In the second tab we have only 2017 year data, and the third tab we have only 2018 year data. Okay, so in this way we are using the reference query. Okay, understood, friends? So just I am going to build one new report from the scratch the same way. Let me show you also pages. Here I am taking 3 pages. Okay, so I am creating one new report. I took as data source as a data module, which was great outdoor data module already existing in our sample data. Just I am going to that samples and data and great outdoor data module. Okay, let me create from first to queries. Okay, so into the queries, I am taking 3 queries. Okay, and in the first query, which was the base query, I am taking the fields in the product line and the product, and I'm going to the sales table. Here I'm taking the quantity, and here. Okay, so let me reorder this product line as a first column. This is our first query, and let me rename this. Okay, sales data. Okay, and the second query, in the first query earlier we discussed, right? We have a entire the years data, like 4 years data. Sorry, it was the last tab. This is the first page. So here we have a 4 years data. In the same way, let it be we same as a first query. We don't like need to add any filter. In the second query, just I am taking first query as a reference. For that, just we need to click on that query and put it in front of query 2. So then it will form as a reference query. If you click on that, see in the right side it is showing as a query reference. Then we need to go in the double click on the query 2, and here left side we have a source query. The source means it is showing the first query data, which was sales query date, like sales query fields. Here in the sales query, sales data query, they're having a 4 fields, right? Just I am taking 4 fields, to the second query. So here what is the difference? The field is same, but the difference is just I am adding the filter here for the specific year. I am taking the 2017. Okay, in this the second query, it is showing only 2017 data. Okay, this is the second query. Just I am renaming it as a 2017 sales. Sorry. Okay, and the same process for the third query as well. Just I am clicking this and drag and drop to the in front of query 3, and the first query become as a reference query, and the third query double click on that and go to the left. It was a sales data query fields. Just I am taking the 4 fields, and here just I am adding the filter for the 2018. Okay, let me rename it as a query 2018. Okay, so now we are putting the build to build the queries. So just I'm this is the reference. Mostly we are using this reference query in every report. Okay, so it is very important. Try to understand that reference query concept. And just I'm going to the pages. So here we have only one page. Let me create other 2 pages. Taking query page. Okay, in the first page, just I am taking list report assigned to the our sales data and drag and drop to the fields, the 4 fields which I have built. Okay, we are good in the first page. Let me go to this, and I am also rename the page name. So sales data for the first page, and I'm going to the second page and take to the list report and assign to the 2017 sales data, and taking the 4 fields from the 2017 sales query. And okay, fine, I'm going to the page. Just I am renaming this page 2 as a 2017 sales. Okay, and I'm going to the third page. Here I'm taking the list report and assigning the query to the 2018 sales. Okay, here I'm taking the 4 fields from the third query, 2018 sales query, and let me rename it as a 2018 sales. Okay. So we are building 3 pages based on the 3 queries. First, the first query is to display all the entire the data, and the second query is only it should be displayed 2017 data. Okay, in the third query it should be displayed only 2018 years data. So for that I am creating the 2 pages. Let me run the report in the Excel, so we will be understanding. Dismiss this. Just we got report output. Let me see. See here to the sales data 2017 2018 sales data. For this just I am doing enable editing. Okay, and I am going to just add a filter for our testing purpose. If you click on that here, see here it has to display the 4 years data on the first page. Okay, in the second page if you click on that, it should be display only 2017's data only. If you see here 1 year only, so we are good. The fields are same. So going to the third page, click here, see only it is showing 2018. Okay, this is the concept, friend, regarding to the reference query. So this is most important, friends. Okay, thanks friends, thanks for watching.